human care for a sustainable future, a new biomaterial and modern science have come together in a remarkable mug inspired by Mother Nature. Matterra is an innovative mug created from 100% biodegradable materials and renewable resources. Each Matterra mug is based on 3 innovations: an innovative circular economy model that uses hop waste and residues from local farms, an innovative spraying method that improves the thermal insulation and mechanical resistance of the mug for eco-friendly cleaning in the dishwasher, an innovative formula that enables faster crystallization during cooling, lower energy consumption, 10 times greater recyclability, and chemical-free surface treatment. The Matterra mug is a revolutionary achievement and the product of 4 years of collaboration between engineers from Xterra and OPS Bresnik and students from the Faculty of Polymer Technology, who work together to develop new, sustainable products inspired by Mother Nature. Matterra Mug, designed and degradable by Mother Nature.